Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting product to review that is perfect for gamers and people working from home actually. Picture this: if you are in the middle of the intense game or focused on an important task when suddenly a power outage occurs, disrupting your fun or business operations. Even worse, when the power comes back, it can cause harmful electrical surges that fry your electronics, but fear not, because we have a solution for you. I'm gonna introduce you guys with the Vertiv Liebert itON-SOHO, a reliable and efficient uninterruptible power supply UPS. In this review, we will explore its key feature, advantages, setup process, and key messaging points of this impressive device. So let's unbox this and we see what do we have inside first. So first thing we will have is the power cord and the device itself. Let's open this. And they have the user guide as well inside with all the information you guys need. Alright, so actually what happened recently in our office also, we were doing a video shoot and the whole building electricity just boom goes off, and we were in the middle of the shoot. We were recording the videos, we were recording the PC games, and all these things are gone. Then we were doing our research and we found what can be a best solution for us for a small office or a home setup. Then our friends at Vertiv, they have introduced us to this device. So this is mostly for a personal home and gaming or small setups also, but in our office we have a bigger setup also. We have like a lot of PCs as well. So in the next video we'll be doing that one as well, but for now let's stick with this one and to see what we have. So it's very small. Yeah, this have a weight. Definitely they have a battery inside. They have the hooks at the back, so you can put it on the wall or whatever. Then on this side you can see there's a power and there's some lights and indicators as well. And on this side you have where the main input goes, and there is the USB charger and some other voltage indicators as well, and on and off button as well. Then in the front, this is where your PCs and everything goes in. Alright, so my plan is to put my PC here and the monitor here as well, and other devices if you need any other things to add on that, so I don't have to go through again the same situation, especially our whole recording setup. So that I think this will be a perfect fit for that. Alright guys, so they have provided all the instructions on their website also and in this manual as well. So what's happening right now, that we can just put this power here, and then this one we apply to the main power, and then from there our output devices just from here. Usually it comes fully charged, but during the shipping process, of course, some charge goes leak and all that, so you make sure that you're charging that as well before you use it. To start the UPS, you just press this button, which is the power button, and it goes in, and that's how you can see. So it turns on already. All right, and so the see now is indicating the battery. You need to plug in to the charger also. So I turn off for now. All right, so after you start it up, connect your PCs and everything you need. There is one thing they said under the cautions, that never connect a laser printer or scanner to the UPS unit. This may damage the unit. Apart from that, all the other information you can see on the display on our screen now, what the lights indicates and how you can use. So very pretty straightforward, no hassle, very compact as well at the same time. So maybe you can just put beside your PC and it's good to go. Actually, it's even smaller than my laptop. Let's start by looking at the key features of this Vertiv Liebert itON-SOHO. So this device ensures the uninterrupted power supply during the unexpected outages. You won't have to worry about losing progress in your game or abruptly ending your work due to the power failures. With built-in AVR technology, this UPS stabilizes voltage levels and protect your devices from harmful fluctuations. It ensures a consistent power supply, preventing damage caused by both low and high voltage scenarios. This feature safeguards your gaming consoles, PCs, and other equipment, giving you a peace of mind. This device offers fast recharge capability, recharging 90% capacity in just 4 hours. Additionally, it provides a long battery runtime of 4 minutes at 50% load and 15 minutes at 25% load, ensuring sufficient backup power to finish your task or complete your gaming session. This device also equipped with a comprehensive high-level alarm and protection system. The UPS alerts you to any potential issues and protects your equipment equipment from various power related risks. The UPS features universal sockets for hassle-free equipment connection, accommodating a wide range of devices. The Vertiv Liebert itON-SOHO comes with a 2 years warranty, ensuring your investment is protected whether you are a passionate gamer or a dedicated professional working from home. This UPS is an essential investment. It safeguards your gaming consoles, PCs and critical equipment, ensuring uninterrupted gameplay and protecting against data loss. So guys, I am on their website right now. I'm checking it, also available in the different models as well. In when we say model, means the power rating, which is like 650, 850 or 1000 VA as well. At this time, this one is 53% off as well. I'll be dropping the link in the description also, so you guys make sure you check that out as well. I think that's all about this model of this UPS. We will dig very deep into all the other things also when we'll be talking about the other model of it. Just stay tuned for that part as well. So I hope you guys have found it informative to make your decision on the purchase. Any other questions or anything you want to ask about this, you guys can drop comments in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer that. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.